Hi, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how you can create your own QR code just like that one you see in the video here. If you want to try it out, just scan the QR code and you get linked to my YouTube page. So what we need to do first is we need to install some dependencies. The first dependency we're gonna need is QR code. It's named QR code, just like that. I already have installed it. That's why it just doesn't install anything here, but I'm gonna paste you this comment down in the info box so you can just copy paste it and that's it. The second library we're gonna need is the pillow library, which is just for downloading or saving images to your file system. So just install that. I already did this as well, so now we can go on to coding. Okay, after we installed the dependencies, we can start with the code. I'm just gonna delete all of this that is just by standard inside of this main.py file. And first we're gonna import our files or our libraries we're needing. The first is QR code, which is actually the only library we need. So now, the second thing we just have to do is we need to define our data we're gonna use or we're gonna display in our QR code. I'm just gonna type youtube.com/philipb4, which is the link to my YouTube channel. You can also just write, I don't know, hello or test, doesn't matter. If you scan the QR code, whatever is inside of the QR code is gonna be displayed on your device with which you are scanning the QR code. So in this case it's a link and it's gonna try to open that link. Okay, then we need to actually create our instance of the QR code class, which we're just gonna name QR, and we're saying QR code.qrcode like that. And here we can define multiple things. We're just gonna say version 10. Version just defines how big the QR code actually will be, so the image. And the second thing we're gonna say is the border, which just says what kind of thickness of the border we want to have in our image. So you can play around with those two, it doesn't really matter. It's just style, I guess. So you can just decide how you want to have it to look like. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is we actually create our QR code. So we're just gonna add the data, which is displayed here. So add data and then say data. And this gives our link or our text we had here to this instance of the QR code, and it's gonna create this QR code. But to actually see the QR code, we have to create an image out of this QR code, which we're gonna do by declaring this variable image and then just say qr.makeImage, just like that. And then we can give some parameters. We can actually give no parameter, doesn't matter, but we're just gonna say a fill color, which we're gonna make blue, just like so it looks like the thing I displayed before. And then we're gonna give it a back color, which is just the background, and we're gonna say white. So the fill color is the color of the QR code itself, and the back color is the color of the background of the QR code image. And then we just have to say image.save like that, and just give it a name, how we want to save it. And I'm gonna say philipb4 qr.png, just like that. And actually that's it. So there is nothing else needed, so you can create your own QR code. If I'm gonna run this now, you see I have the exit code 0. Actually, I don't know why it doesn't show up here, but I am just gonna open it real quick, just like that, and I'm gonna open it, and you can see the image here. So now I can show you what happens if I change up those parameters around here. I can say I want to have 50 and I want to have a 0 border, then I'm gonna run this again. Okay, 50 was too big, actually 40 is the maximum, so I'm gonna say 40. Then I'm gonna run this again, and it's done. And now if I open this thing, you see this one looks extremely strange, but it's just so hugely packed, and yeah. So you have to decide. You can also do 1, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's try it out. Yeah, you can also do 1, and now you have a small QR code. Yeah, then you can play around with those parameters. You can actually save the image, print it out, and just put it everywhere so everyone can scan your own QR code and get a message from yourself. Alright, I think that's it for today. A short video on how you can create your own QR code. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video. Bye!